Hello, Jacob Pace here with Guaranty RV. We are once again here in this gorgeous RV park. I'm standing in for the fifth wheel sales team because they're so busy today working with customers just like you. We are going to talk about a Paradigm Alliance 370 FB. It's gorgeous. Let's go in and have a look around. Right away when you walk inside, you notice just how thoughtful this fifth wheel is designed. From the color scheme, the countertops, the wood finishes, the little seating and coat rack. As you walk in the door on the left, you notice a beautiful dining table set up for seating 4. Don't just fall in love with the beautiful top of this table and the 4 dining chairs. Look below. There's no carpet. You don't have to worry about trying to keep carpet clean day in and day out. Gorgeous chairs and a couch. When you're looking at the couch and you look at the side tables on either end of the couch, look a little bit further. Those are secret storage compartments. You can open the lid and you can store anything you need to in there. For myself, I think I would put like an extra blanket or pillow so that I am oh so cozy when relaxing on that couch. As you move from the back of the Alliance to the driver's side, you have a big flat screen TV, you have your stereo entertainment, you have speakers, you have your fireplace. Now again, I say, look a little bit further. Your fireplace pulls out and there's storage behind your fireplace. That's amazing. This is the only brand I've seen this within. It's crazy. So you keep moving down the driver's side, you have your microwave, you have your stove. It's a 4-burner stove. You have a huge 3.73 cubic foot oven. I think you could probably cook a turkey in there. There's just beautiful countertops. As you move a little bit further, you have a really big fridge. Right as you move past the fridge, you have a door for a pantry. Great storage in there. Don't walk past the next door, because that's your bathroom. That's your first of 2 bathrooms. This is a half bath. You have a beautiful sink, wonderful glossy countertop, a toilet, a mirror so you can check yourself out and clean yourself up if you need to. The ceilings are so tall that even though this is a half bath, it doesn't feel small. You have so much height above you. It's a wonderful feeling. We have a small set of stairs. But again, look at the details. You have a little bit of shoe storage right underneath these stairs. Come inside your home, you can take your shoes off right away and store them properly. As you come up the stairs, you can look to your right and you can see your control panel that controls all sorts of things. Your awnings and your slides included. Now we've made our way into the bedroom. This bed is huge. I think I could fit 3 of me in here easily. But I'm a smaller guy, 5'6", 160 pounds. From the end of the bed, you have dresser storage, you have another flat screen TV, a bench that you could utilize to sit and put shoes on or get dressed. But again, I say, look closely because there's another hidden storage. Just below the TV, you have this countertop. You flip open the lid and you have another spot. To walk into the full-size bathroom, you walk through these beautiful barn doors. Sticking to the driver's side, you notice right away your soft close toilet, a very spacious shower. You have a shower head that moves to different heights. You have a little tray for all your cleaning supplies. You have a bench to sit on, and that even folds up and out of the way to provide even more space. Now we turn around here and we look at the passenger side. We have a beautiful countertop and sink. Tons of space to have both his and hers items for getting ready for the day. Cabinetry, drawers to store all your other essentials. And then power outlets for, say your hairdryer or your electric razor. Now to finish this off, we're moving up into the front, the walk-in closet for the bedroom. I can't believe how big this is. Not only do you have hanging space, shelving space, you also have an area where you can install a washer and dryer. So you can have your dirty clothes become clean clothes and still stay in your closet. It's beautiful. It's amazing. The light wood in this closet keeps it from seeming too dark. It's very bright and allows it to be a bit easier to see everything. I have to say it again. I want you to remember this. This is the 370 FB Paradigm from Alliance RV. It's gorgeous. You saw it. It looks even better in person. Trust me. Give our sales staff a call. Send an email. Info's right down below here. Schedule time to come out. Check this product out. I'm Jacob Pace with Guaranty RV, standing in for the sales staff. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this product with me. Have a great day.